This is a mini square bag. It's wide at top and narrow at bottom. The bottom part is close to a square. It's also great as a large bag. This one is close to a rectangle in appearance, and the bottom is rectangular. You can adjust the size. To adjust the size, the thread used is 1 mm hollow thread. 2 colors are mixed to crochet. Use a 3.5 mm crochet hook. Left hand with thread. Place the hook under the thread and wind it counterclockwise to the top. Hook the thread and pull it out. Tighten the thread. This is a slip knot. Don't count it. Hook the thread and pull it out. This is the first braid stitch. Use a marker to mark it. Then crochet braid stitches. The length of the braid here is the thickness of the bag. Take 7 braid stitches as an example. Next, pick the second to last stitch of the lining, which means the braid needle is facing downwards. Insert the needle from the side. Pull the thread out. Pull the thread through the 2 loops. This is the first short stitch. Mark it with a marker. Then pick the next one. Crochet 1 short stitch in each inside stitch. And hook the last short stitch at the marker. This is the last stitch in this row. Mark it with a marker. And crochet a braid stitch. Turn the fabric. Start crocheting the first stitch at the marker. Remove the marker and button it on the first stitch. And crochet a single crochet stitch in each stitch. Remove the marker on the last stitch and crochet a braid stitch. Turn the fabric. Repeat the previous row's operation. The number of rows you crochet determine the width of the bag. You can adjust the number of rows. Adjust the number of rows. After the bottom part is completed, then in the same position, and crochet 2 short stitches. On the first stitch of each row behind, and hook a short stitch. Finally, pick up the braid needle at the corner and hook 3 short stitches. And hook 1 short stitch, each with 1 short stitch. and 3 short stitches on the last stitch. On the first stitch of each row here, and hook 1 short stitch. And 2 short stitches in the last stitch. Pull up the first stitch. Connect the first and last stitches to connect them. Crochet a slip stitch. Start the next round. This is the bottom part of the bag. The next round, around the bottom, and hook a single crochet stitch in each stitch. Finish 1 round, and pull through the first stitch. Start the next round with braid stitch. First, crochet a short stitch in the first stitch. And put a marker on this short stitch. Under this stitch. Then hook a short stitch. Here, stretch the loop. Complete a long and short stitch. Skip 1 stitch, and crochet a short stitch in the next stitch. In this hole below this stitch. Then crochet a long and short stitch. Repeat this method next. Skip 1 stitch. And the next stitch is a short stitch. In the hole below this stitch. Then crochet a long and short stitch. After each set, skip 1 stitch. Repeat this operation in the next stitch. So around the bottom of the bag. Finish this round. Leave 1 stitch empty. Next, hook a short stitch. 1 long and 1 short stitch. Fasten a marker on the last stitch. Pull up a loop on the first stitch. Hook a chain stitch. Start the next round. Turn the fabric. For the convenience of crocheting, turn the fabric edge down. This stitch is a long and short stitch. Don't hook here. Hook it on the next short stitch. Hook a short stitch. Remove the marker and button it on this short stitch. Now let's take a look. The insertion position of the long and short stitches. From the bottom of the short stitch, where the black and white threads cross. This is the position where the long and short stitches enter. Skip 1 stitch. Next, crochet a short stitch. and hook a long and short stitch into the next hole. Skip one stitch, and hook a short stitch in the next stitch. And hook the long and short stitches into the hole below. Repeat the crocheting in this way. Finally, crochet a short stitch at the marker. One long and one short stitch. Remove the marker. The last stitch is a long and short stitch, and the next stitch is a short stitch. Fasten the marker to this short stitch. Every round after that, on the short stitches here. In the first stitch, make a slip stitch. Hook a chain stitch. Start the next round. Flip the fabric. For the convenience of crocheting, turn the fabric edge down. Start from the short needle under the marker. Hook a short stitch. Remove the marker, and hook it on the first short stitch. In the hole below, hook a long and short stitch along the direction of this line. Repeat this method to crochet. The same as the previous round. like this, until you reach the height you need. After completing the bag, pull up the first stitch. And make a slip stitch, then cut the thread. And lead the thread into the fabric. Next, I'll demonstrate the handle. For convenience, I'll use white thread to demonstrate. Bring the thread to left hand. Leave one of the threads longer. For sewing, start with a slip stitch. Hook to braid stitches. Pick up the half stitch of the first stitch. Hook a short stitch. Turn half a circle and pick up the horizontal one. Here, hook a short stitch. Turn half a circle and hook the needle from right to left. And hook a short stitch. Repeat the same method. The length of the strap can be determined according to the size of the bag. If the bag is larger, make it a little longer. Leave a long thread end and a short thread end. Cut the thread. Next, sew the bag strap. This way, you can find the approximate position. Finally, tie the two ends together and hide them inside the fabric. Sew the other side symmetrically. In this way, you can make different sized bags.